Hi guys, welcome to Lani's Kitchen. In today's episode of Cooking with Random Candy, we're gonna be making cake in the microwave. What is hot? It's hot. When I was telling you. Okay guys, now we got a nice consistency. Wait, I'm switching. I need to look cute. Now we have a nice consistency.
That was not tiny, dear.
Did it on you?
No, but it's not.
Lani added so much.
Guys.
Hi guys. Coronavirus. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today stop it, don't go now. So today I'm joined by my little sister. What's your name? Introduce yourself. Oh wow, I look like a little boy. What's your name? Say your name. Toluwalani. You make me feel somehow about saying your name, your pride and joy. But join here with Toluwalani Sowemimo and Toluwalani Sowemimo.
We're making 5-minute chocolate cake. No oven, no pan, easy chocolate cake recipe.
Yes, so today we're going to follow a recipe to make chocolate cake. We're going to be making chocolate cake in a microwave. Look, I don't think it will work. But then at the same time, like, I want it to work because we really went out. Like, my mom really got these ingredients and everything. So, like, we hope for the best. That was Raz. That was the real Raz. Okay guys, so these are our ingredients. We have cocoa powder, whatever. We have baking powder. Just by the way, I've never baked in my life, so we're supposed to get Nutella, but we got this instead just to try something different. We also have this cocoa powder because we don't know which one to use. We have flour in this jar of coffee creamer. We also have this bowl, which is where we're going to bake the cake. We have this microwave where we're going to do the cooking. Okay guys, so this is the recipe we're following. Emma's goodies. 5-minute chocolate cake, no oven, no pan, blah 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 blah. You can already see it. Okay, let's start.
That many of you don't have an oven, so today we're going to make this amazing chocolate cake, no oven required. Also, I know many of you are just starting to bake during this lockdown, so this is going to make this amazing chocolate cake, no oven required. Also, I know many of you are just starting to bake during this lockdown, so this is the perfect cake for you. It's a one-bowl recipe, and it only takes 5 minutes to make.
Flour,
Cocoa powder,
and baking powder. How much of each? Guys, we don't know what we're doing. We should use 1.5 cups of flour. Girl, what the fudge?
Okay, I'm scared that everything is going to just pour. Like,
Pour it small. Okay, next we're putting 2 or 3 cups of cocoa powder.
2 or 3 cups. Let's
Fill this cup. Taupe, that's all.
That's all, yeah, that's all.
Wait, it's even too much. Hey, Taupe, hey, reduce it. Taupe, I don't want this house to blow down. Reduce. Reduce.
Oh my days. 1.
Hey, hold on. So down. Don't put more up. What? Taupe. Come here, because this is both our mistakes. We just found out that we completely we did not read this recipe right, so we have a little problem. That means the first one we put was exactly right because that was 2/3 of the cup.
Oh my days.
We now opened the other one and brought from this.
Oh my
Father Lord,
I'm going to kill this thing with sugar. That means you have to add more flour and more baking powder.
That's okay. I'm not trying to blow up this. I'm not trying to blow up the house, you know. Girl, I'm scared. I ain't never done this
all we
before.
just need to do is add more sugar. I know what to do.
What?
So separate this into half. We'll keep this for when mommy comes and we'll be like, Mommy, let's make more. We did this so that you can have an idea and experience.
That means we have to put more flour and more baking powder.
No, you don't get. This is equal. Oh no, it's not. It's not equal.
It's not equal. Do you get? You have to put more flour and baking powder. Then we're not equally separate it.
Yeah, but then we're doing this.
Okay, what the heck? This is the second one here, so we're going to keep that for later. So now we're going to put sugar, and I've read it properly. 3/4 of the cup. It should be here, Turafa. What are you doing? What are you doing? You didn't measure it. Half a cup of oil.
That's a whole lot of oil.
It's half a cup.
No, that's not the cup we're using before.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You know what?
You guys!
Don't burn yourself while I'm here.
It's hot.
When I was telling you.
Girl, stop telling me what to do.
My days, why is it so thick?
Girl, it's so thick.
Okay. This is on my life. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, no, I think that's too much. Guys.
Maybe we messed up.
We've messed up.
Guys.
That was not tiny, dear.
Did it burn you?
No, but they're not.
Yeah, that's how we do.
So what next? What next?
Put it in the microwave.
Microwave, but she said we should be checking it.
Now I've been listening.
So this is test one. Oh my days. Why does it look evil? Put it back. Okay. Another 3 minutes.
I'm sweating for nothing. Imagine. I mean, brother, let me not condemn the food before it comes out. I will not sweat for nothing. We walk and I will eat you with joy in my spirit, in my heart, and in my soul. Say a prayer.
What the heck?
Guy.
It's not possible. Baby food. I need baby food.
Guy.
Yeah, let's put it for longer.
This thing
Oh, let's put it for 10 minutes. And just leave it there. Good luck.
I don't think it's working. I don't think it's working. 43 seconds left. Anyways, this is the Nutella-ish thing that was supposed to melt and pour on top of it. Since I'm sad, I'm gonna eat it. I don't even like chocolate like that. Oh, ghetto. Girl, I'm worried. Are you worried? You don't care? If it doesn't work, when my mom comes home, I'm going to try it and put it in the oven.
It's ready. What the heck?
I don't think
we
cake
should
is
add more
supposed to
baking
boil.
powder. We should really add more baking powder.
I don't think cake is supposed to boil, you guys. What the heck? Wait, this is solidifying.
It's solidifying.
Wait, though. Wait, it
I
is.
know what's wrong.
Is it burnt?
Look at it. Is it like too much water? Is it burnt? No, it's chocolate. It's too much oil. Well done. Yeah, the one that put the oil. Should we reduce it? Let me bring like a spoon.
So 20 minutes later,
Oh wow. Maybe we should have put more.
it didn't even rise. Like,
It's literally dented.
it looks like black charcoal fudge. So this is our cake here. Ooh, it's kind of cute in the light. So now we're going to put melted whatever on top of it, and then just leave everything to cool because it's quite hot.
Spank.
I don't know if this is going to even taste nice. Let me not lie.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, it's so hard. You guys, I'm so sad. Is cake not supposed to break apart?
Oh, it is. No.
Like, it's so strong.
And then also the.
Yeah, we tried to melt that Nutella-ish thing. I'm guessing this is just a bad Nigerian brand or something because it did not melt, it burnt. So now we're trying to salvage it with milk and hot water.
So the salvaging worked, but now it looks like Milo. Watery Milo. Oh, thank God it doesn't look ghetto.
Whatever. So let's see. Hey, it's not cutting. Oh my gosh.
What the heck is inside?
Wow.
Honey, I don't want to eat it.
I don't want to eat it either. Bring it, please. Bring it, please. This is an epic film.
Epic. Okay, I mean this piece is right, fine, right? It's just the middle. Take more than that.
No, I'm trying to die. Test. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's chocolate rubber.
It tastes like rubber. Like it tastes nice. But it's so hard and chewy, like taffy, like. How much?
Nimi, come.
It doesn't taste bad. It's true, but it's true. I would rate this a 5 out of 10 because it tastes nice. Because it tastes nice. A disaster, but thank you guys for watching.
To microwave.
Anyways, get ready for tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Do not try this recipe out, or try it. Maybe we did something wrong and like you guys know something that would be better. So try this recipe. Stop it. Looks like poop.
Oh no.
I'm sorry. Anyways, bye guys.